Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is advantages of sexual reproduction for class 10th. In sexual reproduction, the offspring is although similar to their parents are not identical to them or to one another. This is because the offspring receive some genes from the mother and some from the father. Because of the mixing of genes of mother and father in various different combinations, all the offsprings have genetic variations. In this way, sexual reproduction leads to a greater variety in population. This means that a species, plant or animal can adapt more quickly to changes in its surroundings or environment. This is because there are always likely to be some individuals which are more suited to the changes than others, and these individuals will survive and reproduce themselves. So the sexual reproduction promotes diversity of characters in the offsprings by providing genetic variation. Sexual reproduction plays an important role in the origin of new species having different characteristics. This genetic variation leads to the continuous evolution of various species to form better and still better organisms. Now, why the amount of DNA does not get doubled during sexual reproduction? In sexual reproduction, though the genetic material DNA in the form of chromosomes from two gametes, male and female gametes, combines together to form a new cell zygote, but the amount of DNA in zygote does not get doubled. This can be explained as the gametes are special type of cells called reproductive cells which contain only half the amount of DNA or half the number of chromosomes as compared to the normal body cells of an organism. So, when a male gamete combines with a female gamete during sexual reproduction, then the new cell zygote will have the normal amount of DNA or normal number of chromosomes in it. For example, the human sperm has 23 chromosomes and the human egg or ovum has also 23 chromosomes. So when a sperm and an egg fuse together during fertilization, then the zygote formed will have 23 plus 23, 46 chromosomes, which is the normal number of chromosomes. यानी जो सेक्स सेल्स होते हैं मेल एंड फीमेल्स उनमें हाफ होता है डीएनए. जब ये कंबाइन होते हैं इसके बाद जो ऑर्गेनिज्म बनता है दैट इज द न्यू सेल zygote will have the normal amount of chromosomes. So that is why the amount of DNA does not get doubled during sexual reproduction.